Hi, today I'll explain about another tool in Animate CC. Okay, the previous class already I explained you about this the bone tool and paint bucket tool, ink bottle tool, and eyedropper tool, eraser, and width tool. Okay, so today I'll explain about this camera tool, hand tool, and this zoom tool. Okay, yes, particularly this hand tool and zoom tool. These are the old. Uh, Not new, same like in Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop we use these tools. Okay, but here the camera tool, it is really new. Okay, and suppose in Animate CC in Flash also it is new. In the previous old versions, the Flash Animate CC or otherwise in Master Collection. Okay, so there was no camera tool. We manually use it to do camera, but in this latest version, this camera tool is added. The camera tool actually, by this name, easily will understand about this. So we place the camera on the scenes, on the shots, as per the story guidelines, and your visualization and your idea. You have to give the pannings vertically, horizontally, okay, and zoom in, zoom outs, and camera tiltings we give with the camera tool. Okay, so actually how it is working. Okay, so let us check. Suppose for this I'm using suppose this is my yeah, this is my background, right? On that, this is my suppose color, and here it is one more and here it is another one. Okay, these three are in three places I'm placing. Okay, suppose this is our scene up to suppose 7 seconds or 6 seconds. Make it 6 seconds for time being. Okay, so what second means 24 frames, right? So suppose this is our scene. So here I'm adding a camera. So just click on that. Okay, you can observe here in timeline there is a camera tool applied. Okay, and if you observe here, this is the indication for the camera. Okay, and suppose this is the marker bar. You can decrease and increase. Okay, and here by using this you can rotate tilt your camera. Let us check the simple. Suppose so up to suppose see what I'm doing at first. So this is, observe here, this border, the blue border is your area. Okay, outside the area in final animation it cannot display. Okay, so suppose we want to focus on first red only, not the other things. Suppose include this. Yes. Okay. Suppose it is in camera, these are out of camera. Suppose this is your area only. Here what I am doing, up to 2 seconds insert a keyframe, the same thing will cover for 2 seconds. Okay, and then here there we give suppose at 95, insert keyframe. Okay, and then reduce this size and get into this blue, get into this blue. Okay, okay, okay. There what I'll do, between this frame and this frame, I'm using here the create classic twin. So about these twins and animation I'll explain. Just I'm explaining today only about this tool. Only concentrate on camera tool. Okay, don't think about this classic twins and this motion twins. Okay, so in coming lessons I'll explain about this. Okay, so for time being use that. Okay, up to here the same frame will come. From here to here the blue is including. Okay, and then up to 5 seconds. Okay, the same frame will come, and then here suppose you can extend this up to 190. You can extend easily. Okay, and then suppose here to here the same frame will come, because we are holding the camera on blue. Okay, and then what you do, from there to here, suppose up to 160, insert a keyframe. Then here what you do, you can include this yellow. Okay, include this yellow, and here give create classic twin. Okay, and this is extending, still it is more. Okay, so up to here the same frame will, up to here the same frame will continue. Okay, after this, here after this, so there your camera, insert keyframe here, here you tilt your camera. If you observe, so what we are giving by this bars, the same thing here in properties, these things are available. See, camera the position. Okay, suppose here when you give the value, so in this camera properties these are changing. Okay, and the rotation, suppose here I am giving the rotation, this is the rotation I am giving. Okay, suppose Control Z. So what you do, manually we are giving this, and going to zoom. Okay, and turn this. Okay, so this is the same value when you are adjusting these things, so automatically the values are changing. So by this, or by giving the values and properties panel, you can operate this camera. And here it is color effects. The color effects, simply you can give colors on that. Okay, suppose here you can give suppose red, and you can add the tint. See, it is okay. For time being we are not giving anything. Can give the color values, and here it is adjust colors. So brightness you can increase and decrease. You can observe the colors, and hue and saturation. See, it's applying both. Yes, suppose this can be. So whatever you are giving adjustments here to the camera, so same thing available in properties panel. Okay, so now, so what I'll do, so I'll give here again create classic scene. Okay, so this is up to here. Okay, let us check what will happen. Suppose control enter. See, first I'm focusing on red, then blue including, and I'm focusing on yellow and rotations. Okay, this is, so in animation also, as per the subject value, as per the subject demand, we do the camera. Okay, suppose here, so what we do, same thing, I'm deleting this layer also. Okay, on particular picture now we are observing. So open file and import to library. Okay, so find your image from the desktop. That too, there is a folder name, and folder name is a camera, for camera, something for camera. Okay, so for camera, in that I'm choosing this picture, open, and your picture is in library. Just click on the library and drag onto the stage. Okay, so you can make it bit bigger. Okay, this is nice, beautiful. Make it bit bigger, no problem. Yes. Yes, suppose here my concept is for the explaining purpose, I'm using this picture, some ad. This is some ad, spring this story about, I think this is for the real estate ad. Okay, so here my concept is I want to explain to the people about this house, and I'm trying to explain the story of the picture. Suppose here first I'll place the camera here. The curiosity can improve. Suppose they're watching this side, he is showing this side, so people, they'll understand something is there. Then slowly we show these birds flying in sky. Okay, then we reveal this, spring this story, and finally we show the house, then completely finally we display everything, the whole picture. Okay, so this is actually the narration for the story. Right, for that, this is my picture up to these many frames. Okay, so over on that what I'm doing, I'm adding the camera. Okay, it is camera. Now I'm establishing my first key here. I'm establishing my key on their faces. Here I'm establishing their family. Okay, this is at a first a frame. My first frame. This is up to 2 seconds I'm managing inset keyframe. Then I want to show suppose at 5 seconds inset keyframe, here we can show that the birds, and then here right click and create classic twin, so we'll understand what they are actually watching. Suppose here here the text should not come into my camera. The reason is here I don't want to show. Yes, here the house edge also I'm not showing, so you can give the close up here. Okay, suppose here I'll drag this up to here, and here I'll remove. Okay, now it is not adding this text, but here yes. Yes, this is okay. So make it control S. And then I want to show the spring the story. Spring the story. Otherwise, after showing this, I'll give the vertical panning here. I'll show the spring the story. Yeah. So now what I'll do here, we can move this camera to this side. Okay, and suppose you can include into that, but here hold this for 1 second at least. Paste frame. So here remove classic twin, not required because the both are the same. Then here to here, coming on the spring the story, and then here allow to read for at least 1.5 seconds. Insert keyframe. Okay, then what we do, you can extend this up to here. Insert frame. Yes. So next here insert keyframe. Okay, so there what we do, we drag this camera onto this house, the beautiful house, and the beautiful house. Okay, then give create classic twin. Okay, so here this hand should not include. After this, hand should not include. Even it is coming into picture. Yes. Yes. Okay, there show the house for few seconds. Insert keyframe. So don't worry about these keyframes and about this animation. I'll explain. Simply I'm explaining about this camera. Okay, up to here hold the camera, and then here to here, here to here, insert keyframe. Okay, so there you can cover whole the poster. So now we are revealing this. Okay, so this is here you can give create classic twin. So there hold the camera up to here. Okay, right. So this is the camera arrangement. Let us check what is happening. So to see the animation, control enter. Spring this story. Excellent. Excellent. See, here we are narrating the story. Everything is okay, but here in the last it is coming into this border. Yeah. So here what I'll do, you can more, yes, add into that. Yes, control S. Then you can check now once again. Yes, he is showing something, showing at bird side and revealing the concept. And next house we are representing, and here, yes. So there what I want to do, after this I want to tilt the camera. So here I want to tilt the camera. Tilting means the rotation here. I'm tilting the camera. something. Yes. Now Control S. Now check the animation, Control Enter. See the curiosity creating, and is showing birds and they're revealing the concept story and showing house. Yes, beautiful. Okay, so this is about the camera. Okay, this is this camera we use in animations, scenes, shots as per the story guidelines. Okay, and then here it is simple, the hand tool, rotation tool, a time scrub tool. So this is hand tool. You can move your stage, okay, horizontally or vertically. This is very simple. And here a rotation, you can give the rotations with this. Okay, so there okay. So after giving the rotation, just you can click on that, automatically it can be set right. Okay, and this is the time scrub tool. So you can scrub from that area to this area immediately, instantly. Okay, this is very simple, not the great thing. Okay, and this is the zoom tool. So zoom tool always what can zoom your pictures on the particular, so you can give the zooms. Okay, zoom in, zoom outs, or otherwise control minus on keyboard or control plus. Okay, by giving this you can give the zooms also. And one more, press control and in mouse middle scroll, you can operate the middle scroll, so automatically it gives the zoom in, zoom outs. So that is okay. So these are the today's tools. The important thing is camera tool, or otherwise these three, so automatically yourself also you can operate this. Okay, and this is zooming tool. Yes, so with this the tools, almost the tools are over. Okay, and here nothing is there. This is the indication of the stroke color. Okay, and this is indication of the fill color. So this is the stroke color. Time being in default it is in black, and this is in yellow. So here what you can swap colors. So outline color, fill color, and fill color, outline colors. So, okay, if you click on that, in the default settings, black and white, it can display. So these are the tools. Okay, and the next class onwards I'll explain the new things. Okay, so up to today these tools are over. So what, when we use this in practically in practice, so again we use these tools. Okay, so then more better will understand. Okay, so basically you can check this. So once again, the camera tool, so very nice, interesting, telling story. Okay, beautiful. See, that is the camera direction. Okay, so you also have to do this. You can try yourself at least, because that there is nothing new, and yourself also you can try. If you have any doubt, simply you can ask me. Okay, so thank you.